Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video here to show you guys the Sound Digital clone. Yep. I mean, probably as you guys watching the video, y'all will get to figuring out what it is. But first, let's take a look at this thing right here. Got some little unboxing action. We ain't had no really good unboxing action going on the channel lately. Let's see what we got here. This should help me out a little bit. But this is the the input converter. I'm gonna go ahead and just hook this one up. That's why I can have two inputs working. I might wind up going with something nice though, but this was like a probably a $7-8 option. Y'all can check it out on eBay. But we ain't gonna talk about that too long. If you guys want to learn how to hook up one, Parker just made a video yesterday. Shouts out to Parker. But he made a video showing you guys how to hook up, how to hook up an input converter on both sides. So, but they were down for sound input converters, which looked nice. But hey, let's see what's going on here. Let's see what this Sound Digital clone looking like. I mean, only real amp people would know what a Sound Digital clone is. Like me, I'm not really a real amp person. All right. Make sure we get all the information up out of there. All right. Popping paper. Man, let's see it, man. It's looking, oh, the clone. The Sound Digital clone. Yeah. I didn't really want to get it this early, but put you guys right here. Sorry I gotta black y'all out. But I didn't want to get it this early, but I still got it. Got some good weight on to it too. My goodness, it got some weight on it. That's why I had to put the phone down. All right, that's that. Man, it has some weight on it. Okay. Yes. Tape on it? Nope. Unlimited power. I like to see that. Comes up in plastic too. Let's pull it out. We're doing this with one hand, y'all. Goodness. Good gracious, good Lord. Now that the plastic is on it, I might have to keep the plastic on it. As we can see on the side, you got your crossover. This is looking a little deep there. You got your level, high pass, low pass. And you also have, we're gonna do a gut shot of it, trying to get the focus. You also had a bass boost and a frequency adjustment. And also right here, come on, focus camera. It's so dark, the camera has trouble focusing. he has it on flat, and so flat is off and on. So guys, you can help me out with that. Looks like 8 gauge speaker connects. Let's turn it over to the big boy side now. And that's your power and ground connects. You have double inputs on both sides with the remote in the middle. Yeah. I don't know what to say, man. It's a nice amp. Let's see. For you guys looking for the clip, like you're gonna have to look at it on the amp. It doesn't come with a clamp monitor in the package. Yeah. Let me know. Let me know what you guys think of this amp. Focus. I don't know why the camera is having trouble focusing today, but it's okay. There we go. Yeah, and this is what I like about it. The inputs over here, so I won't have to change much of my setup. I might do all new 2-aught wire, or 2-aught wire for this amp. Got to get more power too, so I might wind up going with more power option for this amp too. Yeah, if you guys have any suggestions on that, let me know too. I always like to hear you guys talk in the comments. Of course I do. You know, because all you guys have good base knowledge. But the amp is like kind of heavy. It's heavy. It's heavier than I thought. I mean, the weight is on par with the CT Sounds, which I will be having a comparison between the both of them. But as it stands now, the CT Sounds is a little bit bigger than this. That's how it stands. 8,000 watts at 1 ohm. Let's check out the ratings on it too, by the way. There's something else up in here too. What is that? Oh, stickers. I usually pull them out first though, but we got stickers, y'all. We got stickers. Look like a big old Stetsom sign there. It's all stuck to the taped to the manual. It's got the little Stetsom logo. And it's got the big old, I'm not gonna put this on my window though, of course. I might put it on my box. It's got the big old sticker right there too. Yeah. But back, we was about to look at the power before I noticed there was something in the box. All right. But there you go. 1 ohm, 8,000 watts. Well, it actually says 1 ohm and 2 ohms at 8,000 watts, but I don't know if that's a misprint on the package itself. You know, it don't have the 2 ohm power on it. Let's see if I can find it in the manual. Like little small booklet right here. Thank you, Stetsom, for not hitting us with so much books. Let's see if we can find it real quick. Could we find the power? I'm trying to find it, y'all, real quick. There it is, there it is, there it is, right there. I hope we can see that. Let's see. It's kind of dark up in here, so. So there you go. So 1 ohm, it does 8,000 watts. You know, that's at, well, 1 ohm, it does 8,600 watts. That's at 14.4 volts. I don't really charge that high, so we might have to go off the 12.6 volts. 8,000 watts by 1 ohm and 44 watts by 2 ohms. Which the 2 ohm one is like what I really be interested in. And so, there we go, y'all. There we go. Stetsom Vulcan 8,000 watt. The sound digital clone. So, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you do, smash that like button. If you're new and love car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.